such great habitat for them. We own the 3 acres in behind this. A couple acres at the front is the nursery. Love listening to the birds. I love them. And some big open fields. That's my front yard. My peas are coming up. Covered them up so the birds didn't take them out. My garlic patch there, but the garden out back's much bigger. This is just a little plot. It's about 4 plots like that out back. And there's my driveway to the neighbors. Come through there. Rose Farmer's house.